So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to level up your life as a man. For those that don't know me, my name is Danish Azim. I'm 29 years old. I live in Miami, Florida, and I've been an entrepreneur for about 10 years. I went through the ups, the lows, the downs, and now pretty much built a pretty successful life. In this video, I'm going to really break down some key aspects that you can use as a man to really level up your life. Rule number one, stop thinking like an employee. Every decision that you make should answer one thing. And that one thing is, does this increase my income, my assets, my freedom, my influence, or my skills? If it does not, then it probably doesn't really deserve too much of your time. Another key aspect of life as a man should be respecting your health and your physical body. A successful man with low energy is not going to be able to perform compared to a guy that has good energy, that is performing and working on his body. Some non-negotiables that you should have as a man, especially when it comes to fitness, is lifting at least 4 to 5 times per week, getting in at least 10,000 steps daily, having a high protein diet, sleeping at least 7 to 8 hours, and cut out bad junk food, don't drink, and just focus on the main stuff. Your body is basically the vehicle that's going to carry everything. Level 2 is becoming a money-making machine. You should focus on mastering high-income skills like sales, marketing, negotiation, AI, real estate, leadership. The marketplace pays for value creation. The more problems that you could solve, the more money that you can make. Very simple. Level 3, focus on building a business, not just random side hustle. Most people own a business that's disguised as a job. Instead, what you should focus on is building proper systems and teams in place, like SOPs, virtual assistants, automations, operators, maybe having a few good business partners. Your goal as a man should get to the point where you can make money without having to trade all your time to make that money. Level 4, buy back your time. Successful men don't just earn money, they buy time. For example, having good teams in place, maybe having some virtual assistants, automating repetitive tasks, delegating low value work. A $20 task can distract you from making over thousands of dollars. So focus on hiring the right people for the right job and focus on your high value skills. That's gonna make you a lot of money. Level 5, build your personal brand. In 2026 and beyond, attention is an asset. You should be documenting your journey in whatever you're doing. For me, it's Airbnb. So documenting my deals, my properties that I have, the students that I help. But whatever thing that you're doing, focus on documenting everything on a personal brand level. A strong brand can lead into more network of people. It could lead into you making money. It could lead into clients, just a bunch of good things if you actually build a proper brand. People will always do business with people they can like and trust and respect. Level 6, surround yourself with winners. Your environment is going to shape your standards. Spend more time around investors, business owners, operators, high achievers, people in great physical shape. The right rooms can compress years of learning into months. Level 7, turn income into assets. Many people can make money, but very few can learn how to grow money and keep the money. Use your income to acquire real estate, businesses, investments like stocks or crypto, cash flowing assets like Airbnb arbitrage. The objective should not be money. The objective eventually should be ownership. Level 8, become known for something. You should try to pick one lane and dominate it. For example, myself, I got known as the Airbnb guy. I've been doing Airbnb for over 3 years. I've been coaching and teaching other people for over 2.5 years. So once you get known for one thing, people are going to come to you and pay you for that skill that you actually have, that you can actually teach people on how to make money or whatever that skill is. Specialists will earn more money and attention than generalists. Remember this. Level 9, think way bigger, way faster. Instead of asking yourself, how can I make another $10,000? Ask yourself, how can I generate a system that makes me over $10,000 every single month? The first question creates income. The second question creates wealth. There's a major difference between those two. Level 10, build a legacy. Eventually, success becomes less about accumulation and more about the impact that you can make into the world. Sometimes you have to sit down and ask yourself, what am I really building and what am I doing in order for my life to be better 5, 10, 20 years from now? You also have to ask yourself these questions like, who am I helping along the process? What could remain after I'm gone? At the end of the day, money is just a tool. The main goal should be the freedom, the relationships, the contribution, and the impact impact that you're able to make in this world. For me, leveling up as a man really just comes down to a few things, and that's as simple as training hard in the gym, getting in a good physique, learning consistently every single day, eventually owning assets that pay you every single month, building the right systems, keeping your word as a man, investing and thinking in terms of decades. Think bigger than your current circumstances, and the goal always should be to create freedom, not just income. So if you guys found any value out of this, I hope you guys can put a comment in the section, like the video, subscribe, and I look forward to making more videos that can hopefully help you guys as a person. Look forward to seeing you on the next video.